Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0420 indicates that the catalyst system efficiency is below the designated threshold. This may be caused by insufficient conversion of harmful exhaust emissions, which can lead to potential problems with the vehicle's emission system. In a 2011 to 2015 Honda Civic, the primary components involved include the catalytic converter and the oxygen sensors, both upstream and downstream of the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter, located in the exhaust system, is responsible for converting harmful gases into less harmful emissions before they exit the vehicle. Oxygen sensors monitor the level of oxygen in the exhaust gases and help the engine control unit manage the air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion. Proper diagnostics are essential not only for regulatory compliance, but also to ensure optimal vehicle performance. The P0420 code specifically indicates inefficiency of the catalytic converter, which plays a critical role in reducing harmful emissions. In a Honda Civic, the catalytic converter is situated in the exhaust system, typically right behind the exhaust manifold. Oxygen sensors, notably the upstream or pre-catalytic sensor and the downstream or post-catalytic sensor, are positioned before and after the catalytic converter, respectively. These sensors monitor the exhaust gases and communicate the data back to the engine control module, ECM. If the ECM detects an abnormality in the readings compared to expected thresholds, it triggers the P0420 DTC. A malfunction here may indicate that the catalytic converter is failing to perform its function effectively, thereby allowing harmful gases to enter the environment. The integrity of both the catalytic converter and the oxygen sensors is vital for ensuring compliance with emission standards and for the overall efficiency of the vehicle. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P0420. A faulty catalytic converter is the most likely cause, indicating it may no longer effectively convert harmful exhaust gases. Oxygen sensors, specifically the secondary heated oxygen sensor, HO2S, may also be malfunctioning, which can mislead the ECM about exhaust efficiency. Additionally, poor quality or contaminated fuel can result in incomplete combustion, leading to increased emissions that the catalyst cannot adequately process. It's crucial to rule out these possibilities through testing and inspection, as independent failures or system leaks can influence the readings and overall performance of the catalytic system. Regular maintenance and the use of higher quality fuel can also mitigate these issues. Drivers may notice certain symptoms when the P0420 code is active. The check engine light, CEL, is often illuminated, indicating the need for diagnostic attention. Additionally, vehicles may fail emissions tests due to inefficiencies in the exhaust system, which can lead to compliance issues. Poor fuel economy can also manifest, as the underlying problems with the catalytic converter and fuel mixture may affect engine performance. The vehicle might exhibit rough idling or decreased power under acceleration due to insufficient exhaust treatment. Identifying these symptoms early can help prevent more extensive and costly repairs in the future. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0420, it's essential to start by turning the ignition switch to the on/to position without starting the engine. Following this, use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This step resets the vehicle's onboard systems and prepares it for a fresh diagnostic assessment. After clearing the codes, start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load until the radiator fan activates. This action ensures the engine reaches a sufficient operating temperature, crucial for an accurate diagnosis. Next, proceed to a test drive under specified conditions, such as maintaining certain vehicle speeds for an extended duration, as outlined in the diagnostic text. Monitoring the OBD, onboard diagnostics, status during this phase will help gather critical data on the catalytic converter's performance. Continuing from the first step, it is imperative to conduct a comprehensive test drive until a definitive result for DTC P0420 appears on the HDS. This phase involves maintaining specified speed and throttle conditions that help simulate real-world driving scenarios. During this test drive, it is essential to continuously monitor the OBD status for any indication of the DTC. If the HDS displays failed, it signals that the catalytic converter, specifically the warm-up TWC three-way catalyst, requires replacement. However, if the status indicates passed, it marks that the system is functioning as expected at that moment, while executing suggests that further driving is needed. If out of condition appears, it will necessitate a repeat of specified test conditions to ascertain component functionality. After addressing any issues indicated by the diagnostics, repair verification is critical to ensure that the vehicle components are functioning properly. Begin this verification by turning the ignition to the on position and resetting the engine control module, ECM, using the HDS. This reset helps to clear any historical data and recalibrates the system. Following this, perform the ECM idle learn procedure to help optimize the air-fuel mixture settings based on the newly replaced or repaired components. After these steps, conduct a test drive lasting at least 10 minutes to allow the catalytic system to complete its monitoring cycle. During this test drive, ensure that the engine coolant temperature exceeds 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius, and maintain specific driving speeds as previously discussed. Check the OBD status to confirm whether the catalytic monitor condition indicates OK for successful verification. The final step in verifying repairs for DTC P0420 involves scrutinizing the OBD status after performing the necessary maintenance or replacements. If the HDS indicates a passed result, it signifies that troubleshooting is complete and the catalytic system is functioning as designed. However, if any other pending or confirmed DTCs have appeared, the technician should address those issues prior to considering the overall repair as finalized. Observing the OBD data not only ensures compliance with emission standards, but also enhances vehicle performance. Regular monitoring and reevaluation of the exhaust system can assist in identifying any recurring issues that may lead to further diagnostics in the future. Preventive maintenance is vital to reducing the chances of encountering DTC P0420 in the future. Using high-quality fuel can significantly diminish the likelihood of combustion-related issues that may hinder catalytic converter efficiency. Regular vehicle checks, including inspections of the emission system, can help detect potential problems early, preventing more severe damage. Additionally, monitoring the performance of oxygen sensors is essential. Faulty sensors can lead to incorrect mixtures of air and fuel, affecting overall combustion quality. Keeping the vehicle's exhaust system in good condition not only aids in emissions compliance, but also optimizes vehicle performance, thereby ensuring a smoother driving experience. Taking proactive steps in maintenance can extend the life of the catalytic converter and enhance the reliability of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P0420 requires a structured approach to troubleshooting and repair. The catalytic converter plays a pivotal role in reducing emissions, and any inefficiency can have significant implications on vehicle performance and environmental compliance. Accurate diagnostics are vital, Using tools such as the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, allows for precise assessments and timely interventions. Additionally, implementing preventive measures, such as using quality fuel and regular maintenance, can greatly reduce the likelihood of future DTC occurrences. Ensuring that all components operate effectively contributes not only to the vehicle's longevity and performance, but also aids in protecting the environment by minimizing harmful emissions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.